When the Lamborghini Motorhome is delivered in 2026, it will completely upend preconceptions and reimagine what it means to travel in luxury. Inspired by the ferocity that is so characteristic of Lamborghini supercars, this motorhome was intended for people who need more than simply comfort. These people seek authority, visibility, and accuracy in their lives. It was a show. The Lamborghini Motorhome uses a hybrid V12 engine to provide its primary source of power. There is no other motorhome engine that can match the amount of acceleration and torque that this one can provide. Because of its improved aerodynamics, carbon fiber panels, and active suspension system, it can handle the road more like a Grand Tourer than a bus. It can now handle the road like a Grand Tourer thanks to this. It is normal to expect supercar DNA to be found in a body designed for long-distance travel. Beautifully sophisticated interior design. You enter a moving penthouse that has been meticulously created with the same amount of attention to detail as Lamborghini's most recent sports cars, and you are instantly transported there. A rolling penthouse is what this one is. The lounge in the living room has a number of features, including recessed 8K OLED screens, Italian leather chairs, and panoramic skylights with intelligent tinting. The lounge has carbon fiber embellishments and an Alcantara coating. The bedroom, which may be categorized as a futuristic suite, has features including a king-size bed, ambient lighting, and biometric security access. In addition to being soundproof, this area features a starlit ceiling that was designed with Lamborghini's innovative aesthetic in mind. The bathroom mixes high-tech functionality with a streamlined appearance, with marble surfaces, LED mirrors, touchless controls, and a rainfall shower. The technology, everything that is featured in the car, such as the lighting, climate, entertainment, and diagnostics, is managed by Lamborghini's integrated smart system. Full connection, solar integration, and self-leveling hydraulic legs are some of the components that make this recreational vehicle, RV, high-tech and high performance. A final decision. In addition to declaring itself to be revolutionary, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is revolutionary in and of itself. Customers who wish to live on the road without ever leaving the realm of high-performance luxury and are billionaires, visionaries, and adrenaline addicts are the target market for this car. The target demographic for this vehicle is defined by these customers: an unfathomable force, an instantly identifiable design, the maximum amount of movement possible,